Welcome to the most technologically advanced home in Vail. This home features 4 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and just over 4,800 square feet of living space, which is great for entertaining. These walls of glass allow for seamless indoor-outdoor living, filling the home with natural light. One of the coolest parts of this home is this platform system. It was an incredibly unique way of making a 1-door car garage into a 2-car garage. If you're looking for a house 50 yards from the ski slope or just a short walk to Vail Village, you know where to find us.